naman tayo ay nagabalik-balik sa ating yaman kasi wala naman dito. Guys, if we're back of my job, so if it's time I gonna be back of this food. This is travel. Ang bigat. Ito ay parch with bigat. Ito na. Lagay na natin. Kasi may nag-order. Dawala lang daw. Sobrang init ito
Here's how Pinoy say sorry. That's how Pinoy say sorry. Gonna be so one for you. Only answer what I use.
yung order nila ay kailangan pa natin guys.
I have been drinking, got blurry vision. Check out who I met, I'm proud. Her name is Lady, isn't she lovely? And she is my girl. That's right. Looking at the cloudy sky and the Philippines. The thunder, we all know what it means. Baby, we've been going this way. Sing my prayers every day. Bless me, holy heaven. We've always say focus on this way. The bride is Philippines. Well, nice voice is in our genes. Model revenge. I want to be.
Isa ako guys, pero
So you want to know more about Filipino mythology, huh? Yes, but why do you have a British accent? No more questions. Where is third eye? It will explain everything. The Pacific, in the vicinity of Old Manila, exists creatures beyond your wildest imagination. Watch where you're stepping, because I am a duende. I also go by elf, dwarf, goblin, where you probably have heard of us in stories from your nana of how we put our curse on you if you don't give us a light. We come in many colors, black, white, red, and green. But unless you have a third eye, then we are never seen. We are magical and powerful, mischievous and lovable, and say that we love people when passing by our mouth. In the tree, that is where you'll find me. Call me Club Elevate Foot of the Philippines.
lang sila. Wala lang, amatik ba lang. Teka guys. Okay, change me, coffee, change your apple.
Hit by a car and nobody ever stopped me. So in the night, while you're on the little drive, you see me twist up. You see these red eyes. Breakfast still, I'm a Filipino man. Sex appeal with hydration like I'm Gatorade. But if you get too close to this beautiful girl, I'll pull you deep down till you're part of my world. I'm an ordinary gal. By night, I'm a half-body man.
Bili ako guys kung saan yung gagamitin ko. Bawang. Or this guys. Hey guys.